Meaning of feces.
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 Feces. Feces, also known as feces or stool, refers to the solid waste product that is eliminated from the intestinal tract through the anus. It is the end result of the digestive process, which begins in the mouth and involves the breakdown of food into its constituent parts. Feces are composed of water, undigested food remnants, bile pigments, bacterial products, and other metabolic waste products. The color, odor, and consistency of feces can vary depending on a number of factors, including diet, hydration status, and overall health. Generally, healthy feces are brown, solid, and have a distinctive odor.